Hi guys, Resin Girl here. Today I am going to be making alcohol ink resin coasters. So I have just the regular round shaped coasters and I will be using alcohol ink in all different colors from Art Resin, and I will link everything below. So now just remember that you mix equal parts resin to equal parts hardener, and we'll just be doing clear and then dropping in the alcohol ink, and you'll see how it all turns out. Let's do it. All right, it's been 24 hours. My older daughter did this one. She is 9, and let's check out how it looks. I think that looks really cool. So we didn't have ink sinker or white alcohol ink, so we just did the alcohol ink, and I think it kind of looks like a jellyfish. And there's the other side. My other daughter, who's 7, did this piece. And I really like how you see some of the lacing effect here, how the ink spread out. That's the back side and that is the front side. Beautiful. And this is the one I did. So I was trying to create a rainbow. So I did red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, but unfortunately the green and the blue and the purple became one big black thing in this center. But I do like the sides with the sunset sort of feeling of an explosion. Kind of seems like a black hole sun sort of vibe. I did a couple in my geode shaped mold. I already tried to demold this one and it was a disaster. I used some white resin to try and sink the ink, but it clearly didn't work. You can see that it did not cure and the white just made these holes on the back. That's the other side. It looks kind of cool, but the resin mold stuck to it. So this is kind of a throwaway. This one, however, I did turn out cool and I did use some white. So on the back side, you can see it didn't cure and it's kind of a hole, but it kind of looks like a geode hole and it is the geode shape. So there's the front. This one I am actually going to use. I like it. So even though I didn't use the right product, we got a cool looking coaster. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and I will show you my next art resin piece soon. Bye guys.